very important. It is a kind of a prescription to the ailing planet. It is a drugs focused like a MBBS doctor is prescribing medicine for the dying mother. Thank God this prescription we can really read and understand. Other doctors' prescriptions, of course, we can never understand. Chapter 5 gives you the lines of approach and action, focus giving every detail. What to do if you ask Father, what can we do? This is the chapter to read. So that's what the longest, another second longest discussion is 164 to 175, 11 paragraphs. He dedicates the first discussion, dialogue on the environment in the international community. The whole chapter he repeats again and again, dialogue, 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 dialogue. No monologue, it's a dialogue. He thinks that we can never solve through science and technology the ecological crisis. They tried for the past 30 years, it didn't work out. Through politics, zero. Never ever solve any problem. In fact, in that discussion, Pope Francis denounces all the conventions, United Nations conventions on climate change. He appreciates only one, 1992. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Only one he appreciates. And he denounces Kyoto Protocol, Japan, 97. Politics talks all the time, 100% successful. Pope Francis gives zero. Then he comes to Copenhagen, a big disaster. 2009. Big disaster, nothing came out. The government of Denmark says, we made a big mistake of allowing this convention to take place in our soil. You know why? Obama gave 22 planes, all the leaders, 205 countries, separate planes, and the Danish government says these people came and polluted our land. They didn't discuss to solve the pollution. They polluted more and they returned their home without any consensus. So that's what very sad. He denounces even Durban, South Africa, 2011 convention, United Nations. I mean, he says United Nations useless, almost zero, nothing, good for nothing. So at last, Paris, the last one, after the Laudato Si, the same year, 2015, December. I mean, yeah, it's okay. You have to wait and see what is going to achieve anyway. But he gives importance to the smaller United Nations convention, which took place in Montreal, which is known as the Montreal Convention, Vienna Convention, Stockholm Convention, Basel Convention. These are the four protocols. Very good, he says. He believes in the bottom-up process than the top-down. Top-down, nothing comes. Only bottom-up. From an individual, from a small group, you can bring out a change. So the second one, he talks about local politics. The third, but that is the longest discussion, the chapter 5. The last one is ecological education and spirituality. The main focus is only one.